Question number 5, 3. Write down e to the power sin x minus 1 limit x tends to be 0. You see the math. E to the power sin x minus 1 by sin x. We will not be afraid of seeing the math, okay? Please, the maths of limit are really very, very easy. So all of you are requested not to be frightened of seeing any math. Okay, so what should we do? Can you please let me know? You write down here. You write down here. Let sin x equals to a. Is it? Now, can you please let me know if x tends to be 0, then what's about a? Talk to me. Yes, you're right. X tends to be 0. Now, can you put here the value of x equals to 0? If x equals to 0, then it is sin 0, and sin 0 means what? 0. Then we can write then a tends to be 0. Please try to understand. X equals to 0, so sin 0 means 0. So value of a is 0, right? So actually what we're getting here, you see, we are getting the math limit a tends to be 0, right? Now we put the value e to the power what? E to the power a sin x equals to a e to the power a minus 1 by a. Now what is the formula? Can you please tell me what is the formula? What is the formula? Please let me know. 1 plus a by t. What is the formula?
A by factorial 1 plus a square by factorial 2.
Very good. Factorial 1 by a square by factorial 2. Okay. By a cube by factorial 3 plus dot 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 dot, right? This is the formula of e to the power a. Now you see there is minus 1 here. You write down minus 1 and it is a. Am I right? Now you see this one and this minus 1 will be omitted. You see 1 and 1 will be omitted. So we are left with, you see, what's happening here. Limit a tends to be 0. If we get calculation here, a will be omitted. So we'll be left with only 1 by 1 factorial plus a by 2 factorial plus a square by 3 factorial plus dot 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 dot. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
individually a will be omitted. A will be omitted. A square will be left with a cube. So it is a square, right? Now, if I go for putting a equals to 0, you see it is 0, it is 0, every part will be 0. So 1 by factorial 1, that is equal to 1. So our answer is, oh, talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Now, from now onwards, I am going to totally to new dimension. Okay, wholly and fully new dimension. You please try to understand. Question number 7.1. Did I do number? Oh, that was question number 6.3. The previous math. It is 7.1. Okay. Limit x tends to be 0. Very easy math, but new dimension. Limit x tends to be 0. Tan x by sin bx. Tan.
স্যার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে আমার।
Okay.
স্যার আপনি যে x টেন্ডস টু বি 0 যেটাকে বলছেন অ্যারো সাইন দিয়ে, এটা কিনা 9-10 এ ফাংশনের ক্ষেত্রে ম্যাপিং বলতো। তো মানে এখানেও কি ম্যাপিং টার্মটা ইউজ করা যায় নাকি দুইটা জাস্ট
No.
অ্যারো বাট দুইটার ফাংশন
No,
আলাদা?
no. Mapping and it, please don't, I mean, coincide. X tends to be 0. That means value of x is very near to be 0. Okay, that is 0. We can say it is 0. After doing some maths, I'll show you how does it come. Okay, with figure. Okay, I am giving words. I'll make you understand what is meant
ওকে
by
স্যার।
it. Okay, with figure, with graph. Okay, now we have to do this math. So please try to understand. Limit x tends to be 0. What should we do? What I need here? Can you please let me know? Can I do here this type of math? You see, tan x by x. Can I do? That day I wrote you. I wrote a formula: tan theta by theta equals to 1. Sin theta by theta. Can you please remember? Talk to me. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. Into where, from where we have got this ax and bx? How does it come? And what is this? Can you please let me know? You see, it is, suppose I am going to show you. Actually, there is only ax, but I have to take here ax. Then ax will be omitted. You see, I have to take here bx. So bx will be omitted. Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. But you see again, xx will be omitted. Okay, so actually what we are getting here, that is to be written in short, that we are actually getting here a by b. Now please try to understand. You are getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
I repeat, you understand or not? Okay, that's good. Now you see, limit, this is the constant part, right? Is it? This is the, there is no x here. Okay, so we can write it at first. Write down a by b. A by b I have written into. Now it is two different functions, so limit can be used in both the functions. That means in this way, you see, I am going to write down limit. Okay, ax tends to be 0. Ax tends to be 0. Tan ax by ax. Here limit bx tends to be 0, and we are getting sin bx by bx. As there are two functions, so I have taken limit in both the functions. It can be taken. Now you see what I have done here. Write down the side note. Since x tends to be 0, it means ax tends to be 0. It means bx tends to be 0. If x0, then x0. If x0, then bx0, right? If x0, then 10x0. If x0 means 100x0. Now you see what is happening here. It is a by b. You see here. It is a by b. What is the value here in the numerator? 1. What is the value in the denominator? It is also 1, because there is a formula. Sin theta by theta equals to 1. Tan theta by theta equals to 1. So we are getting answer a by b. Can you see the board? We are getting the answer a by b.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, you can see the board. So our math is done. And from now onwards, we have to do all the maths of same category. So please try to understand this math, then you can get every math. Okay, perhaps you have got it. Question number 272. Limit x tends to be 0. Limit of x tends to be 0. 1 minus cosine ax. 1 minus cosine ax by 1 minus cosine bx. Very easy and simple. What is the formula? Can you please let me know what is the formula? Limit x tends to be 0. What is the formula here? 1 minus cos theta equals to what?
2 sin square ax by 2 होगा ना?
2
sin square ax by 2
sin square
और नीचे bx by 2.
right? Then in the same way, 2 sin square bx by 2. Talk to me.
Yes.
2 will be omitted. 2 will be omitted, right? These two will be omitted. Now you see, we are getting here. I don't know that you will come to know or not. There are two functions, this and this. So can I write here like this? Limit, you see, I'll write it afterwards. Sin ax by 2, I mean sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta. Are you getting it or not? This is a square, now it is a square. It is ax by 2, I can write here. Ax by 2 tends to be 0. Okay, not a matter. You write down limit. It is bx by 2. You write down bx by 2 tends to be 0. Here, sine bx by 2, that is sine theta by theta, bx by 2. Please try to understand. We are not done yet, I told you. Actually, at first we have to get the format. Sine theta by theta. It is sine square theta. It's okay. This is a square. Forget that square. Sine theta by theta. Similarly, sine theta by theta. You have to always get this format, sine theta by theta. Now, actually, what we have taken here, you see. Can you please let me know what we have taken here? Actually, here it is a square by 4. It is a square by 4 and it is b square by 4. Can you please talk to me?
Sir, x টা দিতে হবে না?
Sorry? X square.
হ্যাঁ।
X square will be omitted from both the sides, as well as 4 will be omitted from both the sides. Please try to understand. Okay, just okay. Perhaps you have not got it. Just wait. Perhaps you have not got it. Just wait. Actually, what was our math? Yes, it will be vanished if I take here, you see, if I take a square x square by 4, you see, it is a square x square by 4. This and this part will be omitted. Talk to me.
Yes,
and here it is also b square x square by 4. This and this will be omitted. Now, actually, we are left with only a square by b square. Have you seen? Even I am not going to write down 4. We are left with, now you see, a square by x square by 4 into 4 by b square x square. So actually we are left with only a square by b square. So from now onwards, we are not going to do this. We will write down only a square by b square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, how does it come? Okay, you see, this x will be omitted. These two will be omitted. But this a, that means a square. This b, that means a square. This is b square. There is another way to understand. Okay? But you must have write down the side note. Otherwise, you cannot put into formula. Since, write down, since x tends to be 0, therefore, if x is 0, then ax also 0. Then x by 2 also 0. If x is 0, then bx 0. That is bx by 2 is also 0. Now you see the formula, limit x tends to be 0, sine x by x equals to 1. So we have got the same format. Have you seen? This is theta, ax by 2. Theta tends to be 0. Sine theta by theta. This is theta. This is theta tends to be 0. Sine theta by theta. Now what comes next? What is the value here? Inside the bracket it is 1. So 1 square equals to 1. So we are getting 1 by 1 into a square by b square. So our answer is a square by, please try to understand. Important math. Okay? All of you. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3 of 7. You see, limit x tends to be 0. Limit x tends to be 0. 1 plus sine x by cos x. 1 plus sine x by cosine x. At first, it is only x. So please try to understand. If it was like cosine ax, then we could not. But it is only x. Now you know, dear students, if I put here the value, you see 1 plus 0 by cos 0 equals to what? 1. Our math is done. I have put the values because cos 0 is not equal to 0. Cos 0 equals to 1. So I can put x equals to 0 here, you see. If x equals to 0, then we are getting cosine 0. But cosine 0 is not equal to 0, it is 1. So our math is done. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
But
স্যার cos equal to 0 হইলে আমাদের আগের মতন ওই থিটা বাই থিটা ক্যালকুলেশন করা লাগতো তাই না?
yes. And okay. Have you got it? Now, if you say to me, sir, is there any other rule? Yes, I have another rule. If you want to say, I can.
Yes,
Then-
sir. দেখতে চাই।
But it is the right one, you know. This math is to be done like this. Now, if you want to do this math in another way, you see, this is to
স্যার
be.
কমপ্লিকেটেড ওয়ে দেখায়েন না প্লিজ, মাথা
Achha,
crash হয়ে যাবে।
anyway, I am again telling it. It's okay. I am not going to do it. You see, what will you do? You see, please see. It is limit x tends to be 0. It is what? Cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2, then 2 sin x by 2. Can you remember I told you too many times? It is cos 2 theta. That means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Am I right?
এটা কি হলো?
Okay,
Oh.
it is 1 sin
জি
square
স্যার
theta.
বুঝছি।
Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And
Sure.
it is sin theta formula, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. It is the formula. It is cos 2 theta formula, cos theta, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Exercise 7.6. Can you remember, please, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then you see, it is cosine x by 2, okay, plus sin x by 2. And here it is what? Cosine x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Perhaps you have got it. I mean, it will be formula of a plus b whole square, and it is a square minus b square. So a plus b will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator, and we will be left with, I think you have got it right. Here what will be? A plus b whole square. Here a square minus b square. By calculation or cancelling, we can get it right. Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Now the interesting fact is that we can put here x equals to 0. If x equals to 0, it is 1, it is 0, it is 1, it is 0. 1 by 1 equals to 1. But we can expand it again. You see how we can do it. Now I am going to divide both the numerator and denominator by cosine x by 2. That is limit x tends to be 0. Then we are left with 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 minus tan x by 2. If I divide cos x by 2, if I divide by cosine x by 2, have you seen it is 1, it is tan, it is 1, it is tan, right? Now you put the value x equals to 0. If it is x equals to 0, we are getting 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So the same answer we have got. Even we could put the value here. If we put value here, 1 plus 0, then 1 minus 0. Everywhere we are getting the same value. Am I right or am I right?
জি স্যার।
Okay. So it is done. Now, you see question number 4. 7.4, important. Please try to understand. Important math. 1 minus cos x by x square. Limit x tends to be 0, 1 minus cosine x by x square. Now you can say, sir, there is cosine, so we can put x equals to 0. No, we cannot. If x equals to 0, it is 0. Something by 0 is undefined. So we cannot do that. I think you have got me right. So what should we do is that you see,
স্যার
yes.
এরপর থেকে সবগুলা ম্যাথের কি x টেন্ডস টু বি জিরোই হবে, অন্য কোনো ডিজিট
No,
হবে
no,
না?
no, 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 no. You will get it. Not only x tends to be 0, there will be too many x tends to be pi by 2, something 3 pi by 2. Too many maths will be there, you understand? Now we'll go to trigonometric function. Okay, you are doing this trigonometric ratio here. Okay, you see 1 minus cos theta, what is the formula? 1 minus cos theta, what is the formula? 2, let me know, to sine square
Theta by 2.
theta by 2. So we can write here 2 sine square theta by 2 by x square. Just please let me know why you have not got it. Is it okay to all? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now limit x tends to be 0. What I told you, you know only one thing. It is x by 2. So better to write down here x by 2. It is x by 2. For this, it is theta. Now what is theta? It is theta x by 2. So what I told you again and again, sine theta by theta. This is sine theta by theta. You write down at first. Now you see, what should we take? This is the question. Okay, please try to understand. Make life easy, make your life easy, make your maths easy. I am telling you again and again, it is sine theta by theta. It is a square. For this, I have given here a square sign. 1 square means 1, not a matter. Now you see, there is no functioning in the numerator, only 2. Okay, very good. We are keeping it. We are keeping these 2 in our mind. Now you see there is x square. So here there is x square. You see, this is 2. Is it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you see. Suppose what we have done here. This 2 is not okay. So it was 2 here. This 2 is this 2. Here what has been taken? To cancel this, we need 4. Suppose try to understand. Suppose if I write this, though I am not going to write down this. Suppose if I write this, please try to understand. This 2 is this 2. It is done. This is x square. This is x square. It is done. It is what? 4. I mean, there is a square. It is 4. So this 4 will be omitted if I take 4 here. So 4 will be omitted, right? So that means 2 by 4 equals to what? Let me know. 2 by 4 equals to what?
Half.
So this is half. This is half. If you don't get it, please let me know. Since x tends to be 0, therefore x by 2 tends to be 0. This is the side note. Now can I write down it is equals to our answer is half? If you fail to understand, please let me know. I am telling you again. Okay, that's good. Okay, wait, another way. It will be what? 4? 1 by 4? Suppose it is 1 by 4? It is. It is 1 by 4. Now, if this 4 is taken to the numerator, then half into 4, that is 2 into 4, that is 2. I'm not getting you that you are getting me or not.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Okay, it depends on calculation. Okay, so when you will do too many maths, then the maths of fraction can be done. Now the maths I'm going to do, it came in the board about 1,000 times. So please try to understand. Limit, very, very important to be given in the examination. X tends to be 0. Okay, this math will be given. So please pay attention. 1 minus cosine 7x, okay, by 3x square. Please don't be intense. I will do the math in the easiest way. Or anyway, it is limit x tends to be 0. What is the formula? 1 minus cos theta. 2 sine square theta by 2. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
All of you are eager to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shandid is absent today.
Na, sir, actually.
Okay. Anyway, what is theta here? Let me know. What is theta here?
7x by 2.
7x by 2.
Write down. Now only one function, sine. There is no cosine. There is no tangent. So only one trigonometric function here. So what is to be done? At first, what I told you, nothing. You write down sine theta by theta. You know this only. We are not done yet.
So 3x square করে গেল
Okay. I told you we are not done yet. Okay. Sine theta by theta we have written. Is it just to put it into formula? Now you see into. You see. This is 2. Write down. This is 2. Very good. It is x square. You see, this is x square. So it is x square. Right? Now you see, it is what? 7 by 2. It is what? 7 by 2. The 7 square 49. 2 square 4. 49 by 4. Please try to understand. Then what should we take here? You see, I am going to show it again here in this way so that you can again understand. This 2 is this 2. Then this is 7 by 2. So we should take 7 by 2 to cancel it. Have you got it? What should we take here to get it cancel?
7
Can
by
you
2.
7 by 2
49 by 4.
No. Again.
7 square by 2 square নিতে হবে না?
Okay, it will be cancelled if I take here suppose 4. 4 here, 49 here. That is, I am going to tell you 4 by 49. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
2 square 4, 7 square 49 will be omitted. And there is another 3. Okay, you have not got it, right? Okay, that I know.
Yes, sir.
But we will not go for that. What will we do? Now you see, what if I give here 49 by 4, you see, then this 49 and this 7 square will be omitted. 49 by 4. Please try to understand. You see, 1 by x will be vanished. How? If I take this x here. So you consider it as by 1 by x. Please try to understand. You consider it as by x. I am telling you again and again. You consider it as by x. So it is to be vanished by x. So it is what? 49 by 4. So it is 49 by 4. Now you see, here it is 2. It is 2. Here it is 3. It is 3. Math is done. Have you got it? And there is no easy way other than this. What I have told you, you see, a square, 7x by 2, 7x by 2, I have taken this. Okay, so it will be vanished if I take the same here. This is x, this is x square, not a matter. It is what? 49 by 4. If it is 49 by 4, and if it is 49 by 4, so this will be omitted. It is x. Suppose it is now 2. So it is now 2. It will be vanished like this. So it is 7x by 2. That is 7 by 2 whole square. That is 49 by 4 into 49 by 4. This is in the denominator, it is in the numerator. So we'll be omitted. And this is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 3. Let me know. X tends to be 0. So 7x by 2 tends to be 0. Can you please let me know? Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Now you see it is 1. It will be omitted 2. So we are getting our answer is 49 by 6. It is done. This is 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 49 by 6. Please try to understand. All of you at first try to understand, please.
Yes, sir.
Really.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. This math will be given in the examination, and all of you will just count the number of turns of the blade of a fan. Limit x tends to be 0. 1 minus cosine x, x sine x. Now you do it by yourself. Very easy and simple. Can you do it? What is to be done at first? Just let me know. Limit x tends to be 0. What is 1 minus cos x? 2 sine square x by 2 x sine x. You please do it. It is your turn to do the math. At first, let me know. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. Okay, go.
স্যার এটার
I want.
অ্যান্সার কত?
I don't know. You all just mass it. What is your answer?
স্যার হাফ আসে।
Others?
স্যার আমারও হাফ আসে।
Okay. Others?
স্যার আপনি ঠিক অ্যান্সারটা বলেন, কারণ আমার অন্য কিছু আসছে আর আমি অ্যান্সার বলতে অনেক ভয় পাচ্ছি।
Oh, I really don't know the answer, you know.
স্যার হাফই তো আসলো।
Shondit? Shondit is gone nowadays.
না স্যার আছি।
I am not telling for physical presence. I am telling that you are not answering maths nowadays.
আচ্ছা স্যার, মানে বুঝতেছি না, মানে এইটাই বুঝতেছি না আর কি। আজকে গেছি
Where?
না, ঘুমাইনি।
Now where you are
আচ্ছা না স্যার, লাস্টে একদম লাস্টে দেখি। আর অ্যান্সার একটু বলেন।
স্যার প্লিজ বলেন।
I really don't know the answer.
স্যার অ্যান্সার শিট নাই।
কোথায় পাবো আমি? Where I'll get?
স্যার বইয়ের পিছনে।
Okay. Question number 6. Answer is half. Answer is half.
ঠিক হয়েছে।
This math can be done in 2 or 3 ways. Okay. How many ways this can be done? Two or 3 ways. You see what I'm going to do here. You see, this can be done in 2 or 3 ways. It is 2 sine square x by 2. It is x into sine 2 theta formula. 2 sine theta by 2. Can you remember please, my dear student?
Yes, sir.
What comes next? This 2 will be omitted. So our math is done. But this can be done in the hardest way. I'm not going to do that. Now please tell me, limit x tends to be 0. What will be there? Sin x by 2, cos x by 2. Is it? Sin x by 2, x, cos x by 2. Am I right? You know, I have made it very easy and simple, but others do it, I don't know how. Tan x by 2 by x. I think our math is done. Make your life easy. What is theta here? Can you tell me please, what is theta here?
X by 2.
X by 2.
X by 2. So write down theta, tan theta. This is tan theta. This is theta. Tan theta by theta. Now you see, we don't have 2 here. So if it is taken to the numerator, then what will be? Can you please let me know?
ইনটু হাফ করব।
Into half. Are you getting it? Actually, what is that? Please see. It will be vanished if here 2 is taken. Right? Here 2 is taken, right? Please look at the board. 2 will be vanished. Is it? 2 means
Yes,
what?
sir.
2 means what? 2 by 1. 2 means what? 2 by 1. Now this 2 by 1 can be written as half. Please try to understand. Is it okay? That means when x tends to be 0, then x by 2 tends to be 0. That means we are getting here 1 into half. That is, our answer is half. It can be done in another way. Here 2 formula will be there. There are 3 formula will be there. Then it can be done here. But I did not go in that way. Okay. It would create chaos. So this is the easiest way. Write down important math. Now I will give you a math. If you can do, you will get taka 500.
আমি
Are you ready?
করছি লল।
Are you ready? Who is ready to do? Everyone, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
7. Limit x tends to be 0. limit x tends to be 0, tan x minus sin x, tan x minus sin x by sin cube x. Write down 100% is important, not 99.99% is 100% is. Will you do or I will do?
স্যার
Will you?
আপনি করেন।
No, no. Shondit is there, you know. Shondit is there, you know.
না স্যার আপনি করেন।
Oh, then it's okay. But I don't know why you are afraid of seeing the math. Normally, what should we do? Can you please let me know? What should we do? Just let me know. We must have key sin x by cos x. Talk to me. Am I right? Then minus sin x. Is it or not? Then sin cube x. Key. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So then you do limit x tends to be 0. You get the LCM. Then what will be there? Can you please let me know what will be there? Sin x minus sin x cos x by cos x sin cube x. You will tell, sir, we have not got it, right? I have got the LCM cosine x, and that cosine x has been taken to the denominator. Have you got it, or I will show it? Okay, you see how
স্যার বুঝছি।
okay. I mean, it is this type of, you see, suppose your math is this, suppose it is 4. Then what can be done here? It is that 1 minus 2 is this same thing, you know, because we get here 1 minus 2 by 2 into it is 1 by 4. You see same thing. I think you have got it now.
Yes, sir.
Then you just let me know what should we do? What can be done here?
Sin x common নেব।
Yes, you are right. You are absolutely right. I am taking sin x common so that I can get a formula here in the first bracket. Now you see sin x and sin cube x will be omitted. Is it? This will be omitted, and there will be sin square x in the denominator. So 1 minus cos x equals to what? 2 sin square x by 2, and this is cosine x, and this is sin square x. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what should we do? Just let me know. You know, we can do the math in this way, or we can break it. Okay, I mean, in this way, sin x whole square. That is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square. In this way, can we do? Suppose, can we do or not?
Yes, sir.
We can do like this.
Yes, sir.
So do it. Oh my God, I am not written a limit. Limit x tends to be 0, right? Now you can write down limit x tends to be 0. It is what? 2 sin square x by 2. It is what? cosine x. Now, what is the formula sine theta? Sine theta formula 2 sine theta by 2 cosine theta by 2 whole square. Am I right or am I right? My dear students, do you know our math is done? But if you would follow another rule, then I don't know what would happen. Now, what we are getting here, limit x tends to be 0. Now, you just listen to me. If any student does calculus without knowing trigonometry or without doing chapter 7, is it possible for any student to do maths? Just let me know, please. So there are too many students in Bangladesh that they start calculus without knowing trigonometry. I told you in calculus, you will get 90% trigonometry. It is limit, then you are getting all trigonometric function, almost. But in calculus, it is more than 90%. Then what you are getting here, 2 sine square x by 2. Then it is what? You keep it like this because,
Sir, answer ki half.
please don't mind, I really don't know. Okay,
And
because
sir 1 হবে
is it really sine square x by 2 cos square x by 2? Perhaps Sondit is right.
ও না হাফ হবে হ্যাঁ
Okay, now you see what we are getting here. It is nothing. Limit x tends to be 0. There is nothing, only 1. Cosine x and cosine x square by 2. Now I can put x equals to 0 because cosine 0 is not 0. So we can put the value 1 by cos 0 1, cos 0 by 2 also 1. Where is 2? This is 2. I'm sorry, this is 2. So it is, our answer is half. But I have to say, yes, our answer is half. I saw that time at the time. Okay. I think you have got it. Please believe me, I tried my level best to make this math easy. And there is another way I don't want to say to you. Okay, now there is a similar math which is more important than this math. Do you like to do?
Question then দেখি।
Now, if this math is 100% important, then this is 1 crore% important. Limit x tends to be 0, tan x minus sin x, same math, tan x minus sin x by x cube. Do it. Okay, I want to see who can do. Carry on. Have you subscribed in my channel?
হ্যাঁ
স্যার
স্যার।
আমি করছি
yes sir
যেদিন বলছেন ওই দিনই তো করছি।
Thank you. Tell your friends to subscribe. Okay. The same math, you know, the same calculation. Everything is same.
স্যার এটার অ্যান্সারও কি হাফ?
Answer. It has been given from the example. Yes, your answer is half. You are absolutely right. Will I do, or all of you are doing?
করেন আপনি।
Huh?
করে দিন স্যার।
Sir, half a
Okay.
sheet.
Okay, I'm going to do it because only two have done for this. You are not getting my instruction at least. It is sin x by cos x, right? Minus sin x by x cube. Is this math? Talk to me. Then what is to do? Limit x tends to be 0. It is what? Like the previous one, sin x minus sin x cosine x, and this is x cube cosine x. Talk to me, please. Then it is what? Limit x tends to be 0. I can write here sin x into 1 minus the previous math, x cube cosine x. Is it? It is cube. Have you got up to this?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write limit x tends to be 0. Now you see what is sin x? It is what? 1 minus cos x. That means what? Equals to what? 2 sin square x by 2. It is x cube and it is cosine x. Now this is the math. What should we do? What can be done? We actually don't have any formula cosine x so that this and this will be omitted. So we are not going to do that math. So what will you do? You please try to understand. Limit x tends to be 0. Can I write here tan x by x cube into 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x by cos x equals to tan x. That means limit x tends to be 0. Tan x by x, can you write? We have got tan theta by theta. Am I right? Then into limit x by 2 tends to be 0. Here x by 2 theta. Sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta. Whole square. Now you see what is the calculation. At first we have to see tan x, x into x square equals to x cube. It is sin square x by 2. There is 2 here. Okay, write down that 2 here. This 2 has been written here. Now you see what is here. We need what? We need here 4. 4 by 1. Is it? What is needed here to, omit this 2? This 2 means 4. So we need 4 here. That is 1 by 4. Please try to understand. Are you getting it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
What we need here, you please take, we need here 2. We need here 2. 2 to omitted. The 2 means what? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means what? A square. 4 by 1. So it is 1 by 4. Is it okay? Now our answer is what? Half. You have to write here. You have to write here always. You have to write here x tends to be 0. Therefore, x by 2 tends to be 0. So you have done a lot of maths on limit. Okay. Now another important math from the exercise. Question number 7, 8 of 7. Question number 8 of 7. Limit x tends to be 0. Limit x tends to be 0. 1 by x. 1 by x, then 1 by sine x minus 1 by tan x. Can you do this math? Same thing, you just carry on. Just calculate it. Important math. X tends to be 0. 1 by x. 1 by sine x. Here it is what? Can you tell me please? Cos x by sine x. Am I right? Tan x means what? Cot x. 1 by tan x means what? Cot x. Cot x means what? Cos by sine. Right? That is limit x tends to be 0. 1 by x. It is sine x. And we are getting here 1 minus cos x. Now perhaps you can do this math. Limit x tends to be 0. 1 by x, it is what? 2 sine square x by 2. Sine 2x equals to what? 2 sine x by 2 cosine x by 2. Am I right? All of you are eager to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
2 will be omitted. Sine x by 2 sine x by will be omitted. So we are left with x tends to be 0. 2 will be omitted. Sine square, so tan x by 2. So we are getting what? Tan x by 2. This will be omitted. X by 2. It is x by 2. Now what should we take here? Just let me know. We have to take here 2. It is 2. 2 means what? 1 by 2. So here it is 1 by 2. Let me know. Since x tends to be 0, so x by 2 tends to be 0. So we have answer 1 half.
Sir,
If-
answer half a sir.
Huh. So have you got it or not? Just you please try to understand. It is tan x by 2. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. This is cos x by 2. I have written. Oh, sorry. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2. That is tan x by 2. It is x. You see, this is x. This is x. Okay. It is in the denominator. It is in the denominator. So we need theta. Theta means x by 2. So it is x by 2. It is half. So for this, I have taken half. It is what actually? It is half. For this, I have taken half. This is the main thing. It is what? It is half. For this, I have taken half. Half will be omitted. It is half. So I have taken another half. So this half will be omitted. Have you got it? So our math is done.
Sir, please repeat the last step.
Again,
Last step.
last.
Step.
I'll tell it again.
Sir, please repeat this again. I haven't got it.
Which one? This one or this one? This one.
The first one.
Okay, first one. It's okay. It is sin x by 2, cos x by 2. So it is tan x by 2. And there was 1 by x. This is that x. Okay. And it is theta. Theta means what? X by 2. So actually it is what? It is actually half. Suppose it is 1, it is half. I want to cancel this half. If I take again half here. So this half and this half will be omitted. Okay?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Question number 9. Limit x tends to be 0.
স্যার আপনি না বলছেন লিমিট অনেক ছোট একটা চ্যাপ্টার।
Of course it is easy. For the first time you are going to see it. For this it is a little bit hard for you. When you will do it second time at home, then I know after doing second time you will never do it because you will come to know everything. Just do it. Who can do it? I want to see. Will I do or you will do? What is the formula of this? 1 plus cos 2x equals to what?
2 cos
2
square x.
Write down minus 2 cos x. Can I write it? And I have nothing to do other than this, right? I have just put it into formula. Okay. Now what should we do? I can take 2 cos x common. Is it? Cos x minus 1. You know, after this, when I was a student like you, I always failed to do this math after this because I failed to put it into formula. Why I'm doing it just so that I can put it into formula. But I used to say that there is no formula. Okay, this math always confused me. Okay, have you copied it?
1 মিনিট দাঁড়ান।
Okay, now you see what should I do? Limit x tends to be 0. Now you see it is not in the form of the formula. So what should I do? Minus 2 cosine x 1 minus cos x. Now you see it can be put into formula. Have you got me? And this much is given in the exam so that the students become confused after this. Now it can be done by yourself. Limit, now it has been very easy for you. Limit minus 2 cosine x 1 minus cos x, that is 2 sine square x by 2 by x square. Right? Okay, that is minus 2 has been taken at first, this minus 2. Okay, forget it, only minus, not a matter. So minus limit x tends to be 0. It is what? Cosine x into limit. Hello? Let me know. Who is telling hello?
সন্দীপ
Shandip, you
না,
are not getting.
আমি কিছু বলি নাই।
Okay, you see, can it be done? There is no formula on cosine x. Okay, you forget it. Now you see, this is what? Can you please let me know that we are done or not? What I told you, this is 2 to the 4.
স্যার এক্স স্কোয়ার কই গেল?
Okay, this is x square. X square, this is x square. It is in the denominator, it is in the denominator. You know, this is 2 to the 4. And here what I need, it is what? We need here, what we need here? 2 by 1, that is 1 by 4. Actually, those who know maths well, they will not do this part. They will not do this part. Because they have taken this 4 in the denominator. It is 1 by 4. If it is invertendo, okay, then this is another 4. Now just please try to understand. It is what? Minus 1. This is minus cos 0, 1. Cos 0 equals to what? X equals to 0. Cos 0 what? 1. This is 1. So our answer is 1. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
And you have to write always here. X tends to be 0. Therefore, x by 2 tends to be 0. Now you just tell me, if you didn't do trigonometry, then how was it possible for anybody to do any of the maths of trigonometry function and limit? Can you think? You have done trigonometry, even after that, you are not getting it. Right? Question number 81. Okay, limit x tends to be 0. Now this math is to be done by yourself. I'll not do it. Cosine 7x minus cosine 9x by cosine 3x minus cosine 5x. Please do it by yourself. Cos d minus cos c formula. What is the formula of cos d minus cos c? I told you this formula.
2 sine c plus d by 2 into
It is
sine
d.
c minus d by 2.
And it is c, right? Cos d minus cos c. What is the formula? Cosine d. Hello. I am not getting you. Okay. 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. So we can write down here 2 sine c plus d, 9x plus 7x equals to what? 16x by 2, that is 8x. Then sine 9 minus 7, 2, only x. Here, in the same way, 2 sine 5 plus 3 equals to 4. Sorry, 8. 8 by 4, 2 equals to 4x. 5, that is only sine x. Please let me know if we have failed to understand. It is the formula. Sin x will be omitted. 2 will be omitted. Then we are getting here, you see, limit x tends to be 0. Can you please tell me what should be written in the numerator? In the numerator, what is what?
Sine 4x cos 4x.
Sine 2 theta, that is 2 sine theta cos theta. And it is sine 4x. Am I right? Very interesting math. Now you see sine 4x will be omitted. Now you put the value of x equals to 0. If x equals to 0, then 2 into cos 0. Cos 0 means what? 1. Answer is 2. Only 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. If you know the formula, then it has been easy for you. Okay? Everybody, important math.
Yes, sir. What's it?
Those who know trigonometry formula better, then calculus is like water. 8-2. Sine 7x minus sine x. Oh my god. Limit x tends to be 0. Limit x tends to be 0. Sine 7x minus sine x by sine 6x. You do. Okay. Zumaina, let me know the formula.
2 into cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2.
2 cos c plus d by 2. 7 plus 1, 8. That is 4x. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. What? 7 minus 1, 6. 6 by 2 equals to 3x. It is what? 2 sine 3x cosine 3x. Talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me.
Yes,
It depends on knowing the formula, nothing else. Sin c minus sin d. You will always write down. I mean, at the top of the page, you write down this formula. That is, when you will revise, then you will come to know that in this math, this formula has been used. Okay, and this is the formula. 2 cosine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. If you know this formula, then the math is done. Nothing else is left. So what you're getting here, sin 3x, 2 omitted. Now put x equals to 0, cos 0 by cos 0, that is 1 by 1. Your answer is 1.
এটা অনেক ইজি ছিল।
Yes, but we had to know two formula, right? Is it?
জি
Okay,
স্যার।
you are doing a lot of maths, right? Is it? Now, another math.
স্যার এটা কি লাস্ট ম্যাথ?
This one was, or this one which is going to be done? Which one?
না যেটা এখন করবেন আর কি।
If you want, it may be the last one. I don't have any, question. X tends to be 0. X cosine x plus cosine 2x by sin x. What should we do? Okay, do it. Will you do or I will do? Limit x tends to be 0, x into, this is c, cos c plus cos d. Have you got it? You consider this is as by c, cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 cosine c plus d by 2, then cosine c minus d by 2, right? Talk to me. Cosine c minus, so x by 2. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Then in the denominator, we can write it 2 sine x by 2 cosine x by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we see 2 omitted. We see this omitted, right? Okay, it is right. Now we can do one thing here, please. You have to use a trick. limit x tends to be 0, cosine 3x by 2 into, okay, into you see 1 by limit x tends to be 0, sine x by 2 by x. I'm sorry, by x by 2. Just let me know. Though we are not done yet. You see here, actually we have done this part. Okay, now we are left with x by sine x by 2. So this x has been taken here. If it is inverse, then this x will be in the numerator. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
X can be written 1 by x. Can it be written? You see. Is it? So like this x has been taken to the what? Denominator, like this. Now, what is needed here? We need here another 2. That is 2 by 1. Right? Here we need, you see what I need here. We need 2 by 1. 2 by 1. That is 1 by 2. Okay? So it is 1 by 2. Now please let me know. Perhaps not. You see, it is what? It is supposed to. It is supposed to. Then 2 is omitted. Okay? This is 2. This is 2 by 1. That is here 1 by 2. So it is only 2 here. Please try to understand.
আচ্ছা স্যার ওইটা লিমিট x by 2 tends to be 0 হবে না স্যার ইয়েতে ডিনোমিনেটরে
Here.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Okay, but you try to understand. This is 2. You understand or not? Please talk to me.
yes sir
Then I have another option. You see what we need here. Suppose what we need here. Here we need what? Here we need half. So this half will be omitted. Here half means it is in the 2. And x tends to be 0. That means x by 2 tends to be 0. So we are getting here cos 0 1. It is 1 and it is 2. That is our answer is 2.